Hello everyone, welcome back to Candle Romance. Guys, today we have a very special video, guys. I'm making a beautiful candle, guys, and I'm gonna make a candle out of this nut bowl that I got at Home Goods. Look at how beautiful this is. This is very heavy metal, guys, okay? And let's see how much I paid for this. I think I paid $18 for this, okay? And look at how beautiful it is, guys. I saw this and I said right away, I need to make a candle out of this, okay? And it's great because it has like the summer vibe because of the seahorse, okay? So it's gonna be like oceanic, like a vacation type of vibe. And it has 3 different containers that I'm gonna be. The great thing about this candle, guys, is that I'm gonna be making 3 different candles out of this one bowl, okay, guys? So for these, I've been searching for beautiful scents, guys. I want to create like 3 different vibes, okay? So the first scent that I came up with is going to be this one, Sea Salt and Orchid, okay? And let me give you the information from Candle Science. Okay, the top notes for this is ozone and orange, beautiful, very refreshing. Middle note is sea salt, freesia, and green leaves, which to me it complements so well each other. And the base notes is tonka bean, light musk, and amber. My favorite for bottom notes, guys. This is gonna give you this summer vibes. This, you feel like you're on vacation, you know, when you create the vibe of intimacy also with a loved one, you know, and this is gonna be great, okay? Now the second fragrance oil that I chose is also from Candle Science. Let me find it. Second fragrance I'm gonna be using, guys, is gonna be this one, Black Violet and Saffron, guys. It's very deep, it's very intense, but at the same time it's very festive, you know, and it's great for a get-together, guys, and to create a nice atmosphere, you know. And let me read you the notes for this beautiful scent, okay? Again, this is from Candle Science. The top note is bergamot and geranium, beautiful opening, serotonin. The middle note is rose, violet, and raspberry, very delicate. And the base note is saffron, leather, and vetiver. So it's really like it ends everything with a punch. Yes, very seductive, very romantic, guys, okay? I love it. So this is gonna be another of the candles, okay? Now for the third candle, I chose Cool Mist from California Candle Supply, guys, okay? This is very refreshing. This one wakes you up. It has a lot of energy, you know. This is great for a party, you know, when you have for a daytime event, and you know, and people wanna celebrate a get together that you haven't seen each other for a long time, guys. This is gonna be very good, guys. Very refreshing, very summer, okay? So these are my 3 choices for this beautiful candle, guys. And I still need to find a name for this candle, guys. I'm gonna think about it and I'll give it to you during the video, okay, guys? In the meantime, I need to find out how much wax each of the containers is gonna hold, okay? So they are the same, okay? So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be doing the water method, okay? I'm gonna show you how I do this. Okay, for that we're gonna need a scale, okay? Now I'm gonna place this on top. So I'm gonna take the container, I'm gonna place it on top, okay? In ounces, okay? And now I'm gonna start filling up. You don't have to do all 3 of them. All you need to do is just one, okay? So I'm gonna choose this one here. So let's see how much water will this hold. Okay, it's gonna be between 6 and 7, but let's do it again, okay? I'm gonna tell this, okay? It's on 0, 0. I think 6 ounces is gonna be the best ounces. Let me just show you let me give you a close-up. Okay, so this is 6.1. I think 6 ounces is gonna give me the perfect amount, guys, because you don't wanna go too overfilling this. So each container is gonna be holding 6 ounces of water. So now I need to do the formula. I need to convert that into wax weight. Okay, so let's do that together. Hold on, let me just. Okay, I don't know if you can see this in here. Okay, but in here it says finding your wax weight with the water method. Okay, no, it says in here. So you multiply the amount of water that you got, which in this case is gonna be 6 ounces, okay? I'm gonna multiply by 0.86. That's gonna give me 5.16 ounces of wax, okay? Let me just, so it's gonna give me 5.16 ounces of wax, okay? So being that it's only 5.1, I'm gonna round it up to 5 ounces, okay, guys? So each one of these is gonna contain 5 ounces of wax, okay? Okay, guys, welcome back. So let me show you what we're gonna be needing for this. So we know, I'm gonna make a note of these, guys. I'm taking notes. Make sure you take notes, guys, whenever you're doing something, guys, because it's very important. Okay, so I need to find the name for this. I'm gonna call it Summer Vibes because that's what it's gonna give you. Okay, the wax type is gonna be number 7. I always use number 7, guys. You're gonna be needing, remember, 5 ounces of wax, for each and every one of them. So I'm gonna put in here 5 ounces of wax for a total of 15 ounces, okay? But I'm gonna be doing them separately in the microwave, so we're gonna do, I think that's gonna be the easiest way, okay guys? So now the fragrance, the first one is gonna be sea salt. Now that we tackled that already, let me just put it to the side. Okay, now we need to figure out, okay, what kind of wick am I gonna be using for this? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tip, guys, because I've done this kind of candles before. For example, I've done this passion print, guys, and I'm using number 7 wax. But this one is bigger than the passion print, so I'm gonna be triple wicking those. This one's in here, and I'm gonna be using a triple CDN number 2. Let me just find it. So having here this CDN number 2, each one of them is gonna be triple wick with CDN number 2. And guys, because they are so small, I'm gonna cut them in half, and I'm gonna use the other half. Okay. So having here the wick tabs, guys, that I buy for these instances, you know, we need to save money whenever we can. So I'm gonna take one of the wicks, I'm gonna just cut them in half. And I'm having here a pair of pliers, wire cutters, guys. So from this one, I make two wicks because we have to save money, guys. Okay. And the next one, again, guys, it's a CDN number 2. Okay. I'm gonna put the link of all the stuff that I'm using, guys, down on the description box. Press them, they're really nice and even. Telling you guys, you save money any way we can. I'm gonna use this dust cover that I got from 1617, guys, and I like it because it has the holes already in there, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna place this in one of the all the way down, and that's gonna give me the perfect position, guys. Now I'm gonna be taking a pencil. I'm gonna hold this in place. I'm gonna draw a circle inside to guide me. Check it out. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see. You can see the marking. I have one in here, one in here, and one over there, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing with all of them. You can do this with a pencil, you can do this with a marker, whatever you have on hand, but you just wanna make sure that it fits through the hole, okay? That's the reason why I like to do this, guys, is because I know they're gonna be perfectly centered, and I know this is gonna make a safe and efficient candle because it's gonna melt evenly. Okay, so let's start wicking the candles. So I have the stickers already. Make sure that they're pressed really well. It helps tremendously to see the marks in there, so you know they're all gonna be perfect. Okay, perfect. You press them really well, and then you do the rest. Okay, I'll be right back. Again, guys, I'm gonna be naming this candle is gonna be Summer Vibes. Okay, because it's gonna give us all beautiful summer vibes, guys. And look how beautiful it's gonna be looking. Yes, I love the seahorse detail, guys. I think it's gonna be great as a centerpiece. Let me just clean everything else and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now that we have everything wicked in here, I'm gonna start measuring the waxes, and I'm gonna start measuring the fragrance oils, okay? So let me just get another scale, okay? And I'm gonna get some beakers. I'll be right back. The field weight is gonna be 5 ounces, so I put 5, okay, times 0.10 because I need 10% equals 0.5, okay? So I'm gonna be needing 0.5 ounces of fragrance oil for 10% on each one of them, okay? So it's very easy, guys. So then you take 5, which is the total field, minus 0.5 equals 4.5 ounces of wax for each candle. It's very easy, okay? Perfect. I'm gonna measure the wax off camera and I'll be right back. It's because since I'm doing 3 different vibes, how am I supposed to know which one is which, okay? So for that, I'm gonna be using color, guys, okay? So for the cool mist, I'm gonna be using this beautiful yellow liquid color from Candle Science, okay? That's gonna be for the refreshing cool mist, okay? For the sea salt and orchid, I'm gonna be using this hunter green. It's like a bluish color. And for black, violet, and saffron, I'm gonna be using this magenta, okay, guys? That's gonna give me the 3 different vibes, so I know which one is which, okay? So again, this is very messy, guys, so I'm gonna use gloves for this because I don't wanna stain my hands. 4.5 ounces of wax, okay, which I'm gonna be doing for the other candles. In the meantime, I'm gonna put this one in for 5 minutes in the microwave on high. And like I told you before, guys, I'm gonna be using the color, and I'm gonna be cleaning the vessel, the Pyrex cup, each and every time that I finish doing the candle. Okay, guys, so let me give you an idea how this is looking. So as you can see, I finished securing the wicks. I'm using these bamboo skewers wicks that I did, guys. You've seen many videos of them. As you can see, this is perfectly wick, guys, and everything is very secure. I'm having here the 2 candles measurement, the wax that I'm gonna be using for the two other different. And then in here, I have in here the wax that is already heated. So let me just put you guys back into the tripod and let's continue the process. Yeah. Let's check the temperature and see how hot it is. It's 208. It's too cold. I'm gonna put it for 1 more minute. It needs to be at least 220, guys, because between 215 and 220, guys, is the temperature that I like to use, because you want to make sure that it's everything gets blended very well within the wax. Okay, guys. So here we have it, guys. Isn't this a beauty? I'm so happy, guys. I'm so proud. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, let's start making the candle. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. Let me get the wax. Let me check the temperature, of course. Let's see. It's 221, guys. Perfect. Now the first one is going to be Cool Mist. So it's going to have the yellow liquid dye. So it's going to have 1 drop of color of the yellow. Okay, 1 drop. That's all I want. I don't want too much, guys. Okay, and the fragrance oil, Cool Mist. That's going to be for candle number 1. Look how beautiful it's looking, guys. Perfection. Okay, let's stir for 20 seconds. Oh, this is beautiful. Let me just take the blotter fragrance tube that I took, and let me just smell. It's so good. My goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. That's what I want. I'm not looking for anything too heavy. Okay, let me just get a piece of paper towel, because I'm gonna be using this for the next candle. Okay, it's 195. I'll come back before I pour. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's 185. Time to pour. Which there's really no size. So okay, here we go. Oh, it's looking perfect, guys. This is the perfect amount of wax and fragrance oil. I'm gonna clean this with alcohol, guys, and we're gonna start making candle number 2. Okay, guys, candle number 2. I'm gonna put the fragrance oil. This one is gonna be black saffron, black violet and saffron, guys, and this one's gonna have the magenta color. And I'm gonna add 4 drops, guys. I added 3 more drops to the yellow one, because I think I want it to be a little bit stronger. So I'm gonna add, for this one, I'm gonna add also 4 drops. Oh my God, it looks looking beautiful, guys. Yeah, candle number 2. Yes. Okay, here we go. Beautiful color. This is the color of passion and desire. Summer vibes. I'm telling you, 15 ounces fill is the perfect amount. Perfection. Okay, let me clean this up and let's start on candle number 3. This one is Cool Mist. This one is black, violet, and saffron, and this one is gonna be Sea Salt and Orchid. Yes, and masterpiece, the summer masterpiece, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for that to come to temperature, guys. I'm gonna add the color and the fragrance oil, and then we're gonna pour. Yes. Okay, so let's see how hot this is. Okay, it's 230. Perfection. I'm gonna add the fragrance oil. Again, this is Sea Salt and Orchid, and I'm gonna add 4 drops of the Hunter Green liquid dye. Okay, 4 drops. Okay, it's 200. I need to let it go down to between 180 and 185, and I'll be right back before I pour. Yes. Okay, so let's see how we're doing temperature wise. Okay, 185. Time to pour. Yes. Okay. Beautiful blue-green color. Again, 15 ounce fill. It's perfection, guys. Okay, so here you go, guys. Here you have it. The beautiful summer vibes candle has come alive. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna wait until this solidifies, guys, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, welcome back to the end of the video. Let me introduce to you summer vibes. Yes, this is my first ever 3-in-1 candle, guys. As you can see, it turned out beautiful. It's like, for me, I was very surprised when I when I went to the store. I went to Home Goods and I saw this beautiful serving platter, serving dish, or serving bowl. And I love the seahorse on top. And I told my husband, you know what, this will make a beautiful candle. But I wanted to kick it up a few notches. So why not make 3 different candles with 3 different vibes? And this is what I have in here, guys. 3 different summer vibes. Okay. This one is a citrus vibe, this one is a beachy ocean vibe, and this one is going to be a more romantic vibe. Okay, guys, so the CT is amazing, guys. As you know, I use number 7 wax. I triple wick this with using CDN number 2. Okay, guys, and the oils that I use, guys, for the beachy type, I use Sea Salt and Orchid from Candle Science. For the citrusy vibe, I use Cool Mist from California Candle Supply. And for the romantic vibe, I use black, violet, and saffron from Candle Science, guys. I'm gonna leave all the items that I use for the video, make this beautiful candle, guys, down on the description box. Okay, guys? I'm so happy, guys. Okay, guys, so I want to ask you to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Share my content and give a like to the video, guys. And also visit my website, candleromance.shop, so you can purchase some of my beautiful candles, guys. And until this one, guys, I want to thank you and be well, okay? Bye. Yes! Yes!